Hey, what's going on? What's going on, guys? So today we are working on the car. Nothing too crazy today. Actually, let me set this up. Basically, today is the start of Operation Clear Defect. You would have already seen by now, I have changed my wheel wells. That I didn't get defected for, obviously, but to pass the blue slip, I needed to have wheel wells because you could completely see through, straight through my engine bay into my tires. Not good. So that has been done. Tomorrow I'm booked in to get all brand new tires, which is heartbreaking because these ones wouldn't even be 3,000 kilometers old, I reckon. Less than that, but they are stretched like you would have seen in my defect video. If you haven't watched my defect video, I'll put it there. That side? It would be, it'll be up that corner. So what we are doing today is we are going to jack the car up, get rid of all 4 tires, go on a road trip tomorrow to the tire place, get all new tires, come back and put the new tires on the car. Finally brought a good hydraulic jack. It's a low profile one, I got it from super cheap. They're on special this week for $50. $50 for a jack. Yeah, so I'll go get this jack, we'll jack the car up and then we will go from there. So let's do that now. So we have got the tires off the car. Here they are. Here, the reason for getting new tires is because of this, that stretch. This is a 225 tire on an 8.5 inch rim. Oh, that's a bit better there. So you can see they're definitely stretched if you look at it from like that angle. It's nothing as bad as like what you see on some cars that are like just straight up ridiculous. Mine, I just wanted it to be like somewhat nice and kind of tuck in under the guards, which is exactly what they did, but we've been defected for it. So now that the tires are off the car is jacked up. So for now, that's where we're gonna leave it today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and go get these replaced.
5 hours later.
New day, booked in at 11 o'clock. It is 10:30, we are running late. Let's get these tires put in the car and we will head on over to Tyre Power, I think it is. Probably do both at some point. Alrighty, so we are on we are on the road to get new tires. I don't know whether I've spoken about this or not yet, but I have 8.5 inch rims and I have a 225 tire, so that is the stretch which you would have seen just on the garage floor just then. I'm going to a 235, which is only 10 mil bigger, obviously 225, 235. I've looked at a few people that have the same specs on wheels, and it basically, the wheel, it sits to like just inside still. So I like, via very minute technicality, the wheels will be stretched. Now we are en route now. Let's go and get this sorted and just get it over and done with, and we can get back and put them on the car and see how they fit, and then we'll see going from there. All right, see you there. This kind of goes without saying, I'm going to try and film this as much as I can, but once again, people get weird with cameras, so maybe, maybe not. We'll see how it goes.
Five hours later.
Alrighty, so we are back at home now. We have the tyres and we're going to chuck them back on. But I thought while we had the tyres off, I'm going to take advantage of washing them while I can, because they are grimy and filthy. I will give you a quick look at the new tyres. That is a new tyre. Like, very, very small, like not even a, I don't know, like how do you call that? Is that stretch still? Can you get defected for that? I mean, probably if you really wanted to, but you would be absolutely gutted if you got defected for this. But I bet you any money, if someone wanted to, you probably could. I'm gonna wash them now, so get them out on the lawn and give them a good scrubbing. Give them a good scrub. So I do not have an air compressor at my house, but I have this, and it works surprisingly well. I reckon that's what we're going to call it for today, because yeah, I'm just done. They look flat. They look quite good. That's like a side on. They definitely still tuck a little bit. But we'll just see how that goes, because that's, I don't know. She'll be right. Jesus Christ. Oh, one thing. Check this out. So the little weights that they put on your tyre when they're balancing your tyre, I was scrubbing my old ones off this morning. Is that a joke? Look at it. It's like sitting off the side of my thumb. Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been one video in the step 2 Operation Clear Defect. There's still a fair few to come. Obviously, more of the engineering stuff and whatever else. But, I mean, new tyres, hey. It's a start, it needed to happen, so anyway, catch us on the next one. Peace! Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love.